In this article, we are going to create AI quiz generator with OpenAI and Next.js. So this is the dashboard of our quiz generator. I have educator tab that we can upload a PDF file that has our content, and a student tab that shows questions, multiple choice options in our case. So what we are going to do in this article is converting this Wikipedia page using download as PDF to a PDF file, upload that here, and generate questions for that. So let's get started. I click choose file, PDF, and what is happening in the background is we are passing this PDF file to OpenAI Files API and upload the file there in the storage of OpenAI, receive back file ID, and use that file as context for our LLM prompt. We are going to instruct our model to generate a couple of questions, in this case 3 questions, based on this PDF file using exact structure for the output we are going to instruct to the model, which is JSON. And the model is going to use PDF, our instructions in the prompt we are going to have, and after that generates the questions. It returns back the question as JSON. We render that in a student tab. As you see now, I have 3 questions here, and they are exactly based on the context of PDF file we passed to the model.